Hello guys and welcome back to Swag FX. The past 2 weeks of trading have been very tough for a lot of traders. It felt like the market was broken, but nonetheless these are the best learning environments and conditions for anybody who's involved in Forex right now. So I'm here on the US 10Y, which is the US government bonds 10-year, and this is the relative strength leader of the DXY. So if you're analyzing for Forex pairs, I advise you to start here all the time. And I have marked here on the US 10Y new weekly opening gaps, the new daily opening gaps, as well as the new monthly opening gaps. So I'd advise you to go to this chart and mark out these levels for yourself as well and see how price has been interacting with them. Start on the monthly and mark those gaps that you see all the way down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you see that price is very close to the new week opening gap, and it has left that new daily opening gap at the top right there. So my bias for the US 10Y is chiefly bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see here my reasoning for that. Let me get an arrow. So you see that price broke structure here, got into a fair value gap, and now it's trading down. So this area over here is the new weekly opening gap that I just showed you. So I'm expecting price to get into that new weekly opening gap. There's also sorry for that. There's also very low resistance liquidity resting below these lows over here. There's this level that ICT calls the BC, which is the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So I'm expecting price to get into this level as well. So having seen that, now let's go to the DXY. On the DXY daily time frame, we see that price has been stuck on this level for quite a long time, but we've been struggling to make higher highs or any lower lows. The last significant move with in price was price getting into this fair value gap, but we failed to take out these highs over here, but rather we coming back down into these levels. So on the dollar, I would like to say that I am very neutral, considering that the dollar can go anywhere it really chooses to. So let's go now to the GBP USD. On the GBP USD, start with the daily chart. So all these orange levels that you see marked here, these are new daily opening gaps, new weekly opening gaps, and so forth. So I'd like to draw your attention to these levels over here. You see that price is respecting these new weekly opening gaps and new daily opening gaps. All this sideways movement is happening within the new weekly opening gaps and the new daily opening gaps. So I advise you to really look into this. And you see that there was a low here, but there was a new daily opening gap here, and price is respecting this new daily opening gap instead of taking this low. So now let's go down into the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, we have this swing high over here being violated. So this may mean something for next week's price action on the GU. It might either go up or reject on some premium levels. So let's now go to the Euro US dollar. I am so sorry that this video is very long, but since I have been away for a long time, I feel I should give you guys the best of my analysis. So we are here on the Euro US dollar. I had analyzed this on trading view, so I don't know where my analysis went, but I had marked this fair value gap over there. Last week, we are hoping for lower prices on Thursday as well as on Friday, but price just keeps pushing higher. So let's go down into the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we see that there was a swing low over here. The swing high was violated. Price came down into discount and is now reaching into these premium levels. So we had expected price to drop at these premium levels, but I guess we are yet to see what price intends to do. So it's going to be a very challenging week since we have NFP on Friday. But if you are interested in following price, we'll be following price for the rest of next week. So since the dollar is consolidating right now and the US 10Y is showing bearish momentum, my only take and my only giving I can provide for now is that we may expect bullish prices on the euro and on the GU next week and lower prices on the dollar pairs. This is because of what I have seen on the US 10Y, which is the US government 10-year bond, treasury 10-year bonds. So with that being said, let's keep a lookout for next week's price action. Consider the market profiles that you're going to be seeing on Monday and Tuesday, and trade. I'd advise you to trade between Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and then be out of the market if you are not an NFP trader. So good luck and good trading.